Okay, today we're going to show you how to install any app that you want on your Roku TV. If you stay with us here after we quickly show you how to install an app, we will then show you a bunch of apps that you might want to install and check out. Okay, to install an app, press the home button on the remote of your Roku TV and then select streaming channels. They call them channels, but they really are just apps. Search for the channel you want to install, like Hulu, and then select the channel and add channel. Okay, now we're going to show you a bunch of apps that we think you should check out. The first one is LowCast, which if you want to get local channels on your TV and you don't want to set up an antenna, check out this app. 3 other apps that are worth checking out are Zumo, Tubi, and Pluto. These 3 apps are 100% free and legal. They have lots of movies, TV, sports channels. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.